So I just landed in Dubai and I'm tired because I'm coming back home and I hear that I'm trending.
What caught your attention?
A woman kissing a guy in the pool. Did you guys see that?
A woman kissing a guy in the pool.
Like underwater?
No, but it was like in the blogs. It was everywhere.
He was kissing a guy in the pool.
She,
Kissed the guy in the pool.
Rajesh Dineo
Yes.
Moloisane. Am I saying it right?
Who is that person?
Oh, that Dino Mulisana story.
Who is Dunel Muloisane,
Dino Mulisana, bro, is
Very different men. It's
Instagram
crazy.
girl,
Instagram?
London type of like girl.
It is
No, like beautiful.
Uzofa namhlanje.
Of course.
If
What's your
your
weapon?
wish is
What's
to
your
die
weapon to do that?
today.
How are you gonna kill?
Wait, one, two.
How you gonna
Wait,
do it?
one. Do I have horse teeth?
No, I didn't say you're fine. You guys are in your baddies. You're baddies.
Do I have a horse face?
You're baddies.
You got a horse ass.
But you guys both have banging bodies.
3.
You got a horse
I
body.
need a man to trend.
You've trended.
Do I
men, but
need
you've
a man
trended,
to
you've
trend?
trended,
Do
you've
I
trended
need-
five.
No, you're gonna
Trended.
trend but trend is way.
Yes, over 20
Do
times.
I
That's what I'm
need a
saying.
man to trend?
No, you don't.
Yes, per.
That's
If not,
Okay,
then-
anyway, Insta,
Yeah,
she's a baddie, man.
Okay, let's
You know
go.
Mulisana is a baddie?
Let's go.
The Jewish, but they're baddies. They are
No.
Insta baddies.
Can she blow a horn like you?
No.
You're a strong
Yeah, you
horn
should
blower.
just blow a horn.
Yeah, I mean,
The music is like-
you're a great blower of horns.
No,
Yeah.
they're great at gaslighting.
Yeah. So that's it. I mean,
Okay, Sanibonani, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we speak and discuss anything under the sun. Ain't no topic here is limit or limited or unlimited. We speak about it all. So my people, please make sure that you subscribe and you leave a comment. But more than anything else, please, when you watch some adverts. Today we discussing Dineo Moloisane and Londi London, aka the berry. I'm a buddies. You know, so as you could see, Londi qale uDineo unprovoked. uDineo kesilindile ukuthi uthole uzophendula like ngoba yena obesese phesheya eDubai. uLondi yadelela uthi, did you see that woman kissing a Rajesh? Why are you calling somebody's man or whatever fling a Rajesh as if you are better? You are also a baddie. You also survive through man. You are nothing beside man. Men are your people. Amadoda uphila ngawo makususa amadoda weluthi isaluni oyivulile indoda ilentuzana amasingile odayisayo amadoda ingubo egqokile amadoda izingane zakhe like iyaza kushonele ngiyadutshula you are inside like Londi man. I when I saw Londi speaking, I saw she was a bit intoxicated, bekadakiwe, and I don't think she was fully sober because there's no way you would say those things knowing exactly what you are on the same boat. You and Dineo same boat. If Dineo trying to draw my daughter, so is you at the end of the day. And 2, okay, I hear that, but to say she looks like a horse, she's got a ayodwa phela umangabe sesihleba yabo mhlambe sesifuna nje ukukhuluma ukuthi uLondi kodwa nje yazi ke kodwa ke uyazi ukuthi kunabantu abafana nezilwane senginqena uba mention nje ngoba phela uzoze khona lo ethe ku generations lo mama lesithi labo nje ukhona umuntu ombheka ubona ukuthi no isilwane lesi engeke ngayisho lento uthi uyambuka umuntu ubona ikati leli ayinja leli ukuthi uthi bayilo bayizinja bayamakati hayi nalo muntu hayibo actually babelo bese ku generation yabo ubona ukuthi umuntu nje umbona ukuthi umuntu no lo usibona bani isilwane mombheka therefore but lento esho Londi wrong ayisho ku Dineo. So we're waiting for Dineo to respond and yeah, and for the fact I can't believe Londi was bullied, obviously. So social media is angry, obviously. The fact you bullying people, we try to protect it through many. When I learned what The audacity of calling the other girl into kanje ube nizazi nobabili niyifebe nobabili. So what's wrong? Like why are you even pointing it out to you have kissed the worst of the worst at the end of the day. You've been begging Chloe to take you back, hence he took you back. You are nothing without a man. Anyway, bye. Subscribe, bye.